innocent Kenyans.
Now, a section of leaders from West Pokot and Baringo counties have accused the government of complacency in dealing with insecurity and banditry in the region. The leaders say the security apparatus are yet to take action following the killing of a chief last month in Chipilat area in Taiti, accusing the National Police Reservist of being behind the spate of attacks in the area.
We believe that the problem of road banditry that has led to the murder as of today of about 10 people on the road between Marigat and Loruk towards Tiati constituency is a problem we believe that is being orchestrated by the National Police Reservists.
We give government 2 weeks to arrest kwanza wale waliua chief, arrest huyo mtu mwenye aliua chief immediately, and number 2, to disarm the entire NPR of this area called Loruk. Ndiposa, why are we saying that they should be disarmed? So that we can be able to see whether they are criminal guns, because criminal guns have come in to mix with government guns, and therefore it makes it very difficult to say was it a criminal gun or was it a government gun, which is NPR.
Na kwa hivyo waziri wetu Bwana Murkomen, bado tunakuaminia, tunajua kwamba unaweza. Tafadhali tafuta mbinu ambazo alitumia mwenzako ambaye alitoka Bwana Kindiki. Mara ya kwanza tulisema naongea soprano, tukasema pengine hawezi, lakini naibu rais alipokuwa Minister Interior aliweza.
Moving on, President